Hey y'all, so this video is going to be a tutorial on how to make a circle skirt. First, you want to start off with your waist measurement, the circumference of your waist. Grab your measuring tape, take it around your waist, and you want to measure wherever you want it to sit. I like mine to sit either above my belly button or right on my belly button. And in this case, I chose my belly button, and as you can see, it is 32 inches. Now I decided to make it a little bit tighter to make sure it's actually on the 32. But yeah, 32 inches. Next, I'm going to show y'all what you're supposed to do. So you grab your calculator, you do 32 divided by 6.28, and that will give you the radius. So I'm gonna get 5. So that's how much we're gonna cut out for the waist, okay? 5 inches around. Now, I'm about to show y'all how I folded this fabric because I already folded and I should have showed y'all on camera. Basically, you're going to fold it in half. So the top part has 1, 2, 3, 4 openings. The side closest to me is folded, so it's 2 folds. And then on the other side is the opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fold that's closest to the camera, that's 1 fold because we had already folded it in half and then folded in half again, basically. Hot dog hamburger style, if that makes sense. For those who know, you know. So basically, you're gonna take that measurement that you got from your waist, the radius, and you're gonna mark it. So I'm using a marker so y'all can actually see, because again, this is just for tutorial purposes, whatever. So yeah, once you've completed marking the waist opening, I guess you can call it, or some people call it a little circle, you want to figure out where or how long you want your skirt to be. So basically, all I did, you can't see it on camera, I'm sorry y'all, but basically I just stood up, put the measuring tape at my waist, and then just let the measuring tape drop, and then I looked to see like where I wanted it to stop at, and I decided to go with 21 inches. So, but make sure you're standing up straight. I wasn't standing up straight the first time, which is why I was doing it again. But yeah, make sure you're standing up straight. And then what you want to do is you want to start where that line starts. You do not want to start at the tip because you're cutting that part off anyway. You want to start where the waistline is going to be and then mark from there all the way around, just like you did the waist part. So now you should have 2 circle lines. You got your small circle, which will be your waist, and then you got your big circle, which will be the end of the skirt. And then you just cut them out, and then you'll see what it's looking like. So this is what it looks like. And if you want to add a zipper, you're just going to cut that half off on that side so you can add your zipper right there. But I'm not doing all that because that's extra work and I'm lazy, okay? Some people also take the rest of this fabric, fold it how you can, and then they just they cut it out again to make a double circle skirt. But again, I'm not doing all that. This is for tutorial purposes only, and I'm lazy, okay? So I decided to just show y'all what it looks like. So what you're about to see, I'm about to put it on over my pants. And you'll see I have plenty of space, which is great. That way you can add a waistband and, you know, gather it. Or if you're lazy, like me, you can just pin it and call it a day. Look at that. You can pin that right there and boom, a no-sew circle skirt. So this concludes the tutorial. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. God bless.